Hey guys, and today I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers. One round, because I only have a bit of time to record this. So let's start right now. Okay, we're skipping through this. But I love this game, I'm pretty good at it. So let's flip around here. I'm pretty good at this. I would make it longer, but I'm recording some of it with my mum's face. Yeah. And he needs it, obviously, because her mum needs, because her mum's got to do what her mum's got to do. I swear that always gets me. Anyway, let's carry on. I lied. Anyway, that was our little short video. We did quite bad. Anyway, I know it was quite short, but a mum's gotta do what a mum's gotta do. And you'll now call my crazy daisies. No, my lazy crazies, by the way. But I mostly call you my cray fans. My cray fans. Yeah, there you go. Amazing. I just thought of one out of the blue. Okay, I love you all and goodbye. Goodbye.